saw the most corrupt governments in history. It was a leaderless government. He's a prime minister in office but not in power. भारतीय जनता पार्टी अपनी राजनीतिक साख बनाए रखे है और कांग्रेस एक प्रकार से लुप्त होती जा रही है.
To equal the UPA's 10-year average, the economy will have to grow under the NDA at 10.6% in the 5th year. I would be happy if this were to happen, but frankly, I do not think it will.
So for 3 continuous years, we were the fastest growing amongst the major economies. और 3 साल पूरे हुए हैं. इतिहास में ऐसा हमारा कोई दूसरा उदाहरण नहीं है. एक बहुत बड़े पैमाने का आर्थिक विकास देखा है.
I agree that a well-designed GST would be a genuine act of reform. It was an idea which the UPA government initiated. Unfortunately, at the time we were pushing for it, Modi ji was one of the strongest opponents. From being viewed as a slow-growing economy, we have for many years now been regarded as one of the fastest-growing developing countries.
1991 was reforms under compulsion. जो मोदी जी की सरकार सुधार कर रही है, these are reforms out of conviction.
I wish the Prime Minister would find more dignified ways of impressing crowds and seeking their votes without resorting to statements which denigrate our country as a whole. The Prime Minister also tends to exaggerate what he will do in the future.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी को तो हमेशा हिंदुत्व समर्थक दल माना गया. अगर दूसरे हमारी नकल करते हैं तो मुझे क्या शिकायत हो सकती है? There is a basic principle: when the original is available, why should people prefer a clone?
Well, I don't want to mention my humble background. I don't want a country to take a pity on the basis of my background. I do not think I would like to enter into any competition with Prime Minister Modi ji on this particular matter.